triangles and its properties. First of all, what is triangle? See, this is one angle, a polygon made by 3 line segments. Like we are closing this angle with another line. So there will be 3 angles made. That is why this shape is called as triangle. This has some components. Those components are, first thing is its vertex A, B, C. How do you call these corner points? As vertex. Vertex is A, B, C. And these lines are there, right? Sorry, line segments are there, right? The line segment AB, BC and CA. These 3 line segments, we are calling it as sides. These 3 line segments, we are calling it as sides. And the angles made by these 3 line segments, angle A, angle B, angle C, are called as angles of the triangle. These all are called as components of a triangle. These are all called as in that the sides and angles alone are called as 6 elements of the triangle. The same way, based on the sides, how the side is behaving, we are classifying the triangle. If 2 sides are equal, based on sides, we are classifying the triangle. If 2 sides are equal, then the triangle is called as S. Six elements of triangles. Elements of triangle. Okay. If 2 sides are equal, then name of the triangle is isosceles triangle. If all the sides are equal, then that is called as equilateral triangle. If no side is equal, then that is scalene triangle. Okay. See, can we say equilateral triangle as isosceles triangle? Yes. 2 sides are equal. If you take any 2 sides, that will be equal or not? So all the equilateral triangles are isosceles. But shall we say all the isosceles triangles are equilateral? No, we can't. Okay. And based on angles, we are again classifying this into 3 types. If all the angles are acute, see, when we will say things are acute, I am asking, when we will say things are cute, that is tiny, small, like puppy, that all we are calling cute, small. So that like the angle also should be small. So below 90 degree, then it is called as acute angle. So the triangle name is acute angled triangle. If any one of the angle is obtuse angle, observe clearly, any one of the angle, any one of the angle is obtuse angle, then it is called as obtuse angled triangle. If any one angle is right angle, then that is a right angled triangle. Observe the difference between this. Here all the angles are acute angle. Here any one is obtuse angle, any one is right angle. Okay. Now there are try these questions. Shall we try those questions? Write the 6 elements of the triangle ABC. What are the 6 elements? The angles and okay, that is it. Also, for the sides and all, we'll write adjacent, opposite, everything. See, adjacent means right next to each other, that we know. For vertex, whom you will call adjacent vertex? For A, who is adjacent vertex? B is adjacent, right next to each other. Also, C is adjacent. Likewise, for B, A and C are adjacent. For C, A and B are adjacent. Okay. Any opposite vertex is there for A? No, it is not. The same for side. Adjacent side for AB, BC and AC. So for AB, adjacent side means right next to each other. They have one common vertex. So this is adjacent, also this is adjacent. Same like for BC, the other two would be adjacent. Same for CA, the remaining two would be adjacent. But in the case of opposite sides, for AB, any opposite side is there? No. For BC, no. Now, the side which is opposite to the vertex A vertex is here, BC is opposite to the vertex A. And the side which is opposite to B, AC, and side which is opposite to C is AB. What we observed? When it comes to adjacent, we have pair. When it comes to opposite, we have only one. Okay. Clear? For each angle, we have only one opposite sides. So the sides opposite to the vertex Q of PQR, they are asking. See, whenever this kind of question is given and diagram is not there, we will draw the diagram and the naming should be done on anti-clockwise. Triangle PQR. How I named it? Anti-clockwise. Okay. So, what they asked for is opposites to the vertex Q. Opposite to the vertex Q is PR. That is all. And angle opposite to the side LM in the triangle LMN. Same like one triangle, anti-clockwise. Angle opposite to the side LM, it is angle N. And the third one, vertex opposite to the side RT of RST. RT, which one is opposite? Yes. And then look at the figure 6.2, classify that according to the sides. See, there is one triangle given. What you can say about that based on side? Scalene. Seagull. Here 8 centimeter. Here also 8 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. What? Isosceles. Someone said scalene. Okay. And what? Based on the angle, this is acute angled. How do you say all the angles are less than 90? Because we know how that obtuse angle will look like. It will be way broader than this. Okay. The video switched off. Next one. I can't see you. Here 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, here 10 centimeter. What type of triangle is this? Based on side. Am I audible? Am I audible or not? Am I audible? Charge is not there. Okay. See, what you can say about this triangle? Scalene triangle. What angled? Right angled triangle. Likewise, the other one. This is isosceles, obtuse angle. See, I drawn this like quite more tilt than that, but when you see the figure itself, you may figure it out that it is not right angle. Okay, so it is isosceles, obtuse angle triangle. And then the next one, all the sides are 5.2. Then equilateral and acute angle triangle. Two sides are 3 centimeter. Isosceles, obtuse angle triangle. Then the other one. Isosceles right angled triangle. Okay. And then the next definition. Medians of a triangle.